All right, data classification. We're going to distinguish between qualitative data and quantitative data and classify data with respect to the 4 levels of measurement. All right, here you go. Qualitative data consists of attributes, labels, or non-numerical entries, right? So, what's your favorite color, right? Your eye color, age, or place of birth, right? Things that you could not add, subtract, multiply, or divide, right? All right, let's see what other kind of data we have. We got quantitative data. These are numerical measurements or counts. Examples: age, weight of a letter, temperature. Right? We could find an average of all these things. We could do all kinds of math to them. All right, so we've got retail prices of vehicles shown in this table. Which data are qualitative and which are quantitative? What do you think? Yeah, the retail prices, yeah, those are quantitative. And our name of our car, or model of the car rather, is qualitative. There we go. And August. We've been given the answer right. Alright. Moving on. Today, let's do it again. Which are quantitative and which are qualitative? Perfect. Looking good. All right. Okay, so we've got levels of measurement. Apparently there are 4. So we've got the nominal level of measurement, which refers to qualitative data only. So nominal, at the very basic level, we have this qualitative data. So we've got 2 data sets. We want to know which consists of data at the nominal level and at the ordinal level. So remember, the nominal level, you're not going to be able to do any math with whatever that data is, right? Which is actually both of these things here, right? And at the ordinal level, you're getting a little bit more information. Yeah. On the second one, right, the network affiliates is no. We can arrange these in some way, right? The ones on the top 5 TV programs, we'd actually be able to arrange them, right? So they're ordinal. There's actually some numbers involved, right? But these network affiliates, there's no numbers. There's really no way I could arrange them, right? In any way. It wouldn't make a difference if I arranged them in any certain way. So that's good. All right. Oh, there we go. Got some answers there. Okay. So try it yourself. Take a look at this. Check it out. Determine whether it's at the nominal level or at the ordinal level. All right. So what do you think? Number one, is that at the nominal level or at the ordinal? Yeah, ordinal, because you could arrange it, right? You can arrange it in some sort of way, right? There's actually going to be some numbers, right? Because there's going to be standings, there's going to be first, second, third, all that, right? But what do you think about collection of phone numbers? Nominal, right? It doesn't matter. I mean, there's no way for me to. I guess I could order them. All right. So now our next level, the third level, we're looking at is the interval level of measurement. So it's got. I'll let you read that. All right, so this last bullet is interesting, right? It says 0 represents a position on a scale, not an inherent 0. 0 doesn't imply none, right? Like 3 minus 3 is 0 kind of thing. But 0 might be a starting point. It might be where you're beginning. So 0 on some graph, right? You might start at like 1978, right? But it's going to be your 0 point on your graph. You can't go all the way back to. It'd be strange, right? If you're counting things from maybe 1978 up to 1984 to start at year 0, right? So year 0 would be kind of like your starting. Or a thermometer. That's all. Right. Yeah. All right, at the ratio level of measurement, it's similar to that interval level, right? Again, the same thing with 0. It does imply, no, not the same thing, right? It does imply. So we're doing some arithmetic operations. We can make a ratio of 2 data values, and you can express one meaningfully as a multiple of what that means exactly. Okay, so here we go. Let's figure out which is which, right? So let's see, which one is at the ratio level and which one is at the interval level. Okay, so the best way to figure this out is does it make sense to say, hey, one of my data entries is 2 times the other data entry, right? If it would make sense to say, hey, I can compare them by saying one is twice as much as the other. You know what I mean? So think about it that way. What do you think? All right.
The first one would be interval, second would be ratio.
Yeah, because it would make sense, right? It wouldn't make sense to say World Series victories in years that to multiply 1923 by 2, right? Or we couldn't express them as ratios either, right? To say like, hey, 1923 is half. It's just weird, right? To say 1927 is half of 23 or something like that. But over here, it makes sense. Home run totals, right? We could say that one was like twice as many, right? One team had twice as many home run totals as another, or something like that with these numbers. So it makes sense to say that. So that's the difference there. All right, so that's just the answer to what we were just talking about. All right, let's try it again. I'm not sure what try yourself number 3 on. So I've got it here. I'll just read it, and we'll decide whether it's at the interval level or at the ratio level. How about the body temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit of an athlete during an exercise session? Is that going to be interval or at the ratio level? At the ratio level, right? Because you could say, hey, his body temperature increased by a certain percentage, or you could say it increased by a certain number, right? You can do some math with that. Let's see. How about the heart rate in beats per minute of an athlete during an exercise? I feel like I got number 1 wrong. And the reason why is, now that I'm thinking back on it, right? Body temperature. Does a 0 body temperature mean there's no body temperature? It doesn't, right? It just means that it's on a scale, right? So in that case, right, since 0 is not actually meaning nothing, right? That is actually at the interval, right? But with the one I said, heart rates in beats per minute of an athlete during an exercise session, 0 is bad, right? 0 means no heartbeats, right? So that's going to be at the ratio level. You would not want to have no heartbeats. At least not for very long. All right. Cool. So here is a cool table. That will help you determine these 4 levels of measurement. All right. It's really great to have. So go ahead and write this thing down. We'll take some time. All right. So that's it. This is your summary and the classwork.